Hi, Emmanuel. So we're gonna go over the power supply for the plasma globe. Um, it's the PVM 400. There's 3 wires on it. There's the power wire, which comes out the back here. That's also where the on and off switch is, which I'll show you momentarily. This red wire, which is the wire that you're going to use to attach to the plasma globe, and this green wire, which can be ignored. So that can get tucked away underneath the base, just like this. You can cut it if you want to. It's a ground wire, you don't need to use it. So this is the wire that's going to attach to the bottom of the plasma globe, which again I'll show you momentarily. So this plugs into 110 volts, 120 whatever, outlet, and attached to the plasma globe. Okay, so now we have a view of the bottom of the plasma globe, and that's where the red wire will be attaching to. Let me see if I can get a better setup here. So these wires are short, they need to be. So however you're going to attach those together is up to you. I suggest maybe a wire nut and using some electrical tape around that. So I've attached the red wire to the black wire that's coming from the bottom of the plasma globe. Just going to make sure that this can be seen. Yep. So this is where the connection is made. I'm going to plug the power supply in. So now I have it plugged in, and as I said before, I would show there's a knob that I turn clockwise until I hear a click to turn the globe on, and if I keep turning it, then the globe will turn on. So you can turn it up all the way. I'm going to include instructions with the power supply on how to set it if you need to. I'll have preset it, but there can be power differences. So that's all you need to do to set it up. One wire coming out of the bottom of the plasma globe, one wire coming off of the power supply. Connect those together, make sure it's insulated, and you'll be all set. Okay, so here's now a video of the plasma globe running. This is what it should look like when you are, after you have installed it. Any higher than this, like if there's tons and tons of plasma coming off of that center ball, it could burn a hole through the glass. So this is what we suggest it to look like. It's the fingers, is what we call them, the fingers of plasma, are just touching the edges of the glass. It's not too crazy or anything. It should just look like that. It should look just like this. No more fingers coming off of the center ball, and no less. And you can see it's very touch reactive. It looks good like this. So this is what it should look like when you install it. Again, I've included the instructions for setting the power supply if you need to, and that should cover it.